Hi, it's Joe Hashey from Level Up Your Gym. Today's tip is about tackling social proof. You might have heard that it's one of the most powerful elements of persuasion, but haven't been sure how to use it in your business yet. A lot of times gyms leverage social proof where they have a before and an after picture. Someone that's not strong to super strong. That's great social proof, but you want to make sure that person highlighted is your target demographic. So you don't want a bodybuilder before and after if you mostly do 30-minute classes for adult women. Your social proof needs to be as close to the people you serve as possible. People that influence us the most are the same age and status as us. For example, if my mom told me to do something, say, hey, go to this restaurant, I really like it. I think, she has different tastes and preferences, probably some weird soup and bread place. Versus my brothers who are close to my age tell me to do something. Oh, this restaurant's great. I know their tastes are closer to mine, and I'm much more likely to do it because it's basically saying people like us go to places like these. And you should have that in your mind when you're designing your Facebook posts, your communications. You want to get your social proof as closely aligned with your target demographic as possible. And once you figure that out, more of it. Social proof is so powerful. So today's tip, make sure your social proof is aligned with the people you want to serve. If you know any other gym owners that could benefit, please share this with them using the link below.